Welcome to the Driver Introduction to SMS Mobile Pay video tutorial. The driver receives the job from the Driver Companion app. The passenger receives a SMS message in the cab to ask if they want to pay contactless. The Driver Companion then updates the job status to mobile payment. At the end of the job, the driver simply swipes to complete, and the payment request is then sent to the passenger. The driver only needs to swipe once, so that the passenger receives a message from the company name. It is important to remember not to swipe again, as the passenger will receive multiple payment messages. Once payment is taken, the Driver Companion app will update the job as paid. If the customer decides to pay by cash, they simply open the text payment link to open the card payment details entry page and press the grey cancel button. The job is then cancelled and closed. The job is reverted to pay by cash instantly. There is no need for the driver to call the office. Simply collect the cash fare. Good work. The job is completed.